What if I told you that you can create 5,000 short clips in just 9 minutes? Then you can monetize your content in social media to earn millions in passive income. Here's the truth. These creators earn millions in revenue monthly on TikTok and YouTube without ever showing their faces. They get millions of views with short videos. The best part? It only takes minutes to automate everything. So in today's video, I'll show you how to make viral short videos in bulk using AI and how to make money fast from them. I'll also share a secret trick to schedule posts everywhere with just one click. Stick around because I have a free gift for you at the end of this video. Now, can you guess how much these creators are making per month? They're making anywhere between $4,000 and $100,000 a month. And some are even making millions every month. Now, we're going to create shorts from scratch and automate the entire process. First, go to ChatGPT and create an account. Once you've logged in, you'll see a screen like the one shown in the video. If you're using a free account, this method will still work for you. Next, we'll ask ChatGPT to generate 30 pieces of text content. They'll include facts or secrets from business, productivity, relationships, horror, and psychology. Our goal is to find great content ideas that are quick and easy to share. Now, ChatGPT will create a table with 3 columns, each containing 30 pieces of content using the prompt I'm sharing with you now. You can find the prompt in the comments or description under this video. To adjust the number of content pieces, simply repeat this process. However, avoid making it too large in ChatGPT for better results. If you want to generate more prompts, copy and paste the current prompt. Then create 30 new pieces of content without repeating the ones you've already made. This way, you'll avoid generating repetitive content. Let's start with 30 pieces and go from there. You can repeat this prompt as many times as needed to generate the desired amount of content. Now, let's use Canva to automate everything. If you haven't signed up yet, go to canva.com and create a free account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the homepage. Next, click on the search bar in the center and type in YouTube Shorts. Select the YouTube Shorts template, then click on Create Blank Template. In the search bar, type in something like nature or sea to find ambient background videos. Click on your chosen video and expand it to fit the entire editing window. This will now be your background for the project. Once the background is set, you're ready to automate the creation of YouTube Shorts. Next, adjust the video duration to around 3 to 10 seconds. Short videos work better for platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and TikTok. Drag the video to the 4-second mark to make it fit. Now, mute the background video. Click on the video and find the volume icon at the top right corner. Drag the volume slider all the way down to mute it, removing any background noise or music. Let's add the text overlay. Go to the text section on the left. Select Add a Header and choose a text style that suits your video. The text will appear. Start editing it. Replace the existing text with column 1 and move it to the center. Now let's adjust the text. Double-click on the text to select it all. Click on the color option at the top and change it. Add a background by clicking on the Effects button, then selecting Background. It usually defaults to black, but if not, scroll down and choose black. This will be your column 1 text at the top of the video. If you prefer, you can also change the font. Feel free to choose any font that suits your preferences. For column 2, duplicate the text by clicking on it and selecting Duplicate. Drag the duplicated text below the first one. Double-click on it and write column 2. For column 3, duplicate the column 1 text and drag it below. For column 3, make sure it aligns with the text box. The position here is important for the automation process. Next, let's adjust the text boxes. Click and drag from the edges of the purple boxes for both column 1, column 2, and column 3 text. Align them with the outline around the video. This ensures the text stays inside the box and doesn't overflow the edges. Finally, adjust the timing. Right-click on column 1 and select Show Timing to open the timeline view. For a 5-second video, let column 1 stay on screen for most of the time and show column 2 for a shorter period. This method boosts rewatches, improving retention and increasing viral potential. You can set column 1 to 80% of the seconds, adjusting as needed. Do the same for column 2, making it appear at the seconds mark. Now we're at the exciting part. Go to Bulk Create. It's time to link our text with the data we'll be using this tool for. Click on Apps at the bottom left of your screen, and you should find the tool there. If not, you can use the search bar to find it. The feature will prompt you to input your data. Since we created the facts in a table format with ChatGPT, we can copy and paste the table. So, go back to ChatGPT to grab the data. Now, you're ready to link the text with your data for automated video creation. Copy the data and return to Canva. Click Enter Data manually and select the top left cell in the first column. Paste your text, and it formats on its own into column 1, column 2, and column 3 as needed. Now click Done. Next, connect the data to the text elements in your editor. Right-click on the column 1 text. Select Connect Data, and then choose column 1. Repeat this for column 2 and column 3 with the appropriate data sources. Now, move the column 2 text and position it over column 1. This ensures both sets of text appear in the same spot, one after the other. Display column 1 for the first 3 seconds, then show column 2 and column 3 for the rest of the time. This method automates the entire editing process, helping you create many videos. Once the text is in place, click Continue on the left, click Share in the top right corner, then select Download. Choose Download Pages as separate files to export the videos. Once you have all the videos downloaded as separate files, you're ready. The final result will look like this. Now, we'll use a website called Buffer. It makes scheduling posts across platforms: Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. Easy. You can schedule everything with one click, saving time on manual posting. Here's what to do. Sign up for Buffer's free trial and create an account. Then connect all your social media accounts to Buffer. After that, go to your calendar and click Create Post. Next, select the channels to upload to. Insert your video clip, write captions, and you're set. Finally, click Share Now, and Buffer will post your content to all selected platforms. That's it! Congratulations! You've automated your content creation business. Now, post every day on different platforms to get more views, engagement, and money. Here's how to build your YouTube and TikTok Shorts empire. Now it's time to enjoy your free gift as promised, an AI bundle. It contains thousands of AI tools. The tools categorized by use cases and price, whether free or premium. It's completely free for you. Visit my channel, subscribe, and click on this link to get it. YouTube algorithms suggest that you watch this video, which will be the perfect match for you. Go ahead and watch it now. Have a great day.